Good morning everyone. I am Nandita Dore. Today I am explain about burn. Burn is an injury to skin or other tissues caused by the transfer of energy from a source like heat, chemical, electricity and radiations. This injury can range from the superficial damage to complete destruction of tissue. It means burn firstly affected our skin and skin deep tissues and many types of burns like heat burn and chemical burns, electricity burns, radiation burns, inhalation burns. First etiology of burn. First thermal burn. Thermal burn it means heat burn caused by contact with hot object, liquid, and steam or flames. Flames it is. Next type is chemical burn. Chemical burn is caused by contact with corrosive substance and next thing electrical burn. Electrical burn is caused by contact with electricity which can cause both surface and internal tissues damage. Next is a radiation burn. Radiation burn is caused by exposure of radiations such as from the sun or other sources etc. And next I will explain about classification of burns. There are two types of classifications. First type is depending on the depth of skin. First is like first degree burn, second degree burn, third degree burn, and fourth degree burn. First degree burn is superficially burn. Superficially burn is first degree burn affected only the superficial layer. It means epidermis layer or outer layer of skins. Epidermis layer is a outer layer of skin. The burn side is red, painful, dry, and with no blister. A mild sunburn is an example. Long-term tissues damage is rare and usually contact of an increased or decreased in the skin colors. Second degree burn is a partial thickness burn. It means skin epidermis layer is affected. Second degree burn involve the epidermis part and the dermis layer of skin. This burn site appear red colors and blister form is made and may be swollen and painful. Then next is third degree burn. Third degree burn it means full thickness burn. Full thickness burn means destroy epidermis, dermis and epidermis, dermis and hypodermis also affected. Burn. This third degree burn is destroy and tendon. This burn site appears white or chairs. This is no sensation and area since nerve endings. Fourth degree burn. Fourth degree burn is deep full thickness burn. Deep full thickness burn it means severe type of burn expanding full all skin layers and underlying tissues like muscles, tendons and bones. This burn appear chairs or plaque. After painless burn and nerve end because nerve ending is not present in these layers and life-threatening medical emergencies required. Immediate medical attention required. This burn. The next is depending on the percentage of burn. The first type is Lund border chart. Lund border it means accurate method to calculate burn and this chart is accurately calculated this burn areas and but not clinically used because it's very lengthy method commonly used by forensic doctors and during otoscopy surgery expert advice etc. Then next is Bargos chart. This Bargos chart is similar to Lund border chart. This chart is accurate method to calculate the burn area and this is only use child only, but not used clinically commonly because it's very lengthy method and commonly used by forensic doctors during otoscopy and during expert advice. Third is Palmer surface hand method. Palmer surface hand method it means जिस पर्सन जो पर्सन जला हुआ है उसी पर्सन का अपने को हाथ लेना है उसका जो हैंड रहेगा उस हैंड जितनी सरफेस को अपने को मारना है 1 डिग्री सेल्सियस बर्न अप्रोक्सीमेटली 1 डिग्री सेल्सियस. Total body surface arm making is useful for estimated of estimated estimated the extent or smaller one. And next is valence rule of 9. It means 9% head and neck. Rule of 9 मतलब firstly I will explain upon head and neck 9% and full trunk 18%. full trunk, this part is trunk, and trunk में जो thorax वाला part है उसको 99% देना है, and abdomen वाला part 9% देना है. In upper, both upper extremities divided 99% and lower extremities, full lower extremities I will given in 18%, and thigh is 9% and leg is 9%, and genital area is 1%. That is 9. Total burn area is 100%. And next I will explain about clinical manifestation color. First clinical manifestation is color changes. Color range from red or white to brown or black depending on the burn depth, and blister form may be intact or ruptured. Wiping fluid. Pain is depending upon the depth of burn, and swelling appear with second degree and burn and deeper injuries. Texture changes can be moist, seamy and leathery textures. Paling occurs with superficially burn. Fluid and electrolyte imbalance like hyperkalemia, hypernatremia, and hypokalemia and hyponatremia and hyperpotassium occurs immediately after burn. Management of burn initially and emergency. मैनेजमेंट ऑफ बर्न. फर्स्ट स्टॉप द बर्निंग. सबसे पहले इनिशियली जो अपन इमरजेंसी केयर जो करेंगे, तो सबसे पहले जो बर्निंग सेंसेशन जो रहा है उसको स्टॉप करना है. तो रिमूव द पर्सन फ्रॉम द हीट सोर्स से हटाना है. डस्ट, फ्लेम्स एंड वाटर और स्मूदर विद ब्लैंकेट्स. कूल द बर्न. इमीडिएटली अप्लाई cool and lukewarm running water from about 20 minutes. Do not use ice. Cover the wound को कवर करना है. Gently cover the burn and clean dry sheets or dry dressing. Avoid wrapping and around a limb. Remove cloths and jewelry. Take off any cloths and jewelry near the burn, but do not remove anything that stick to skin. कीप द पर्सन वार्म. वो पर्सन को वार्म ही रखना है. कंट्रोल पेन को कंट्रोल करना है. मेडिकल ट्रीटमेंट. फ्लूइड रिसक्सिटेशन. सबसे पहले अपने को फ्लूइड देना है. फ्लूइड IV फ्लूइड इज क्रिटिकली फॉर सीवियर बर्न टू प्रिवेंट डिहाइड्रेशन एंड ऑर्गन फेलियर. वुंड केयर. सबसे पहले वुंड केयर में लेस सीवियर बर्न wound may be treated with daily dressing changes and using topically ointment like bactericidals और other specialized dressing और deep burn के लिए affected initially stabilization topically antimicrobial agents like silver sulfadazine. And next is infection prevention. पेन एंड एंजाइटी मैनेजमेंट करना है. न्यूट्रिशन सपोर्ट वगैरह प्रोवाइड करना है, जैसे हाई क्लोरिक नीड्स न्यूट्रिशन सप्लीमेंट्रीज एंड क्रूसियल होता है इसमें. इसके बाद में स्किन ग्राफ्टिंग. डिबर्न आफ्टर रिक्वायर सर्जरी टू रिमूव डैमेज टिश्यू एंड कवर द वुंड. एंड थैंक यू.